thought it'd be fun to just show part of the process here. It's snowing and it's really cold outside, so anyway, so I'm I am creating data for the 4th adventure game in Betelgeuse. I have an encoder that is in BASIC, just so that I can change all the data. I wonder if I need to, maybe I'll make this a little bigger. So yeah, that is one thing. The decoder messes this up, which is fine. That's just the top of memory. So okay, I need to enter the data. I'm warping, obviously, because BASIC is very slow. Even with the warp function, it's still slow. Okay. Now this won't be quite correct because I did make a fix, I think it was to this one here, so the data after that will be a little bit out, but that's fine, I can figure it out. It'll be within a byte or two. So to test, I've entered the decoder, and we'll just kind of break into ML a little bit here. So we'll try one just to make sure that the phrases are all formatted okay. So the ones that with the stars are connotated. So we'll try those first. 16, 28. There, I think I've got it all fixed now. There's another one, 179. I think that one's out though. 179, 28. Yeah. Ooh, it's out by 2 bytes. Now this is something that is inherent in the decoder, and it's really hard to fix or get rid of. And that is, after the period, it inserts a space, and because it's half a byte, to make it equal, it'll add another space. So it works into 1 byte, not half a byte. So yeah, after here, I added the 1 space, and to even it out, I added the 2nd space. And there's really nothing I can do about it. So sometimes the formatting's not perfect, but at least it's not breaking on the side. Okay, so this all looks good. Oh shoot, I forget what the ending address was. To run it again. Probably not a bad thing. All right. At least this way it's easier doing it in the emulated VIC because that's where the encoder is, and I can, if I see a phrase is not printing properly, I can fix it without having to do too much fooling around. Okay, 7432. Figure that out. Oh. 829. Yeah. Okay, then we do this. Oops. So this is including all my data chunk. I'm making it think that it's a program, which I guess it is. Then we will save it as a P00 file. Oh, you know what? I wonder, I hope I saved the basic. I think I did before. Because now, all the pointers are ruined. Okay, so we'll close this, take a look at the printout. And grab the phrases that I just fixed. And take out the press key. That should be enough. See if any of them change. Yeah, they're output 2. Alright. Save this. Get rid of this. Open this. Okay, Try Thomas is where I'm working, and what we need to do, we just fixed all the data, the compressed data, so we have to replace all this. And so we're looking for B4 DAT, this one, the new one. And because it is a P4 file, or whatever P0 file, first 28 bytes are no good. They're just information about the file. Copy it, paste it, pickety bam. Well, we should be in business. Now, we just need to start plugging some of these values in. And you'll only need to press the key. No, I didn't highlight. Let's see here. 4519, what is that? Okay, so that's my intro here. Blue, return 13019. That's the one where, because I think right now it points to better lick, yeah. We need it to press to point to, press the key. 183.27. Alright, that's fixed. So now, what's the next one? So this is my way of alerting myself to things that I have to change. This has actually already been updated, but this is the one I'm looking for. So it needs to point to, which phrase? This one here. You need a shovel. 8628. Okay, and that's fixed. Okay, room 2, look. Where are we looking? Oh, that's this. Oh, okay. I think I just did like generic phrases, so 114.28 will be the one. Mission failed. 63.28. So a lot of this is just plugging in phrases to give you hints. As you'll notice, it's basically this is the crux of the program here. I used to use the print till zero routine, so I kind of stuck with that. A is your LSB, Y is your MSB. Jump to the decompression routine. Do anything that needs to be done. So like in this particular one, it adds the direction down. If you dig, it prints out a thing and adds the direction, and then it returns. Oh, I see an error here. And it returns to the beginning of the room. Repeats the cycle. If it doesn't understand something, it goes through what I named the big loop, which is just a bunch of generic answers and phrases. And yeah, I think, where did I leave off? Oh yeah, room right here. How about that? Left off here. This is from the previous game. We won't need a random enemy. Or beds or lockers, for that matter. Because room 11... Ooh, that's an important one. Yeah, so anyway, let's kind of move it along. I'm on the 4th adventure. It's taken a couple of days, but I'll either finish today or tomorrow. And 3 more adventures to update, and then Betelgeuse will be updated. Have a much better playing experience, I do believe. Yeah, I don't think there's much more I can say about that. I do have a few notes. Lately with the assembler, I haven't needed any paper notes, but yeah, I did need to do a little bit of planning with this. So I do have a couple of things here. Mostly the maps and the objects that you interact with. I did print out the first one, but really it wasn't necessary. Most of my notes are right here for each adventure. All the phrases for the that are in the data and for the game, and then a list of the verbs and nouns. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to go back to coding. It's actually fairly boring, so I'm just going to shut it off. But anyway, that's how this is going, and maybe you found it interesting. If you made it this far, you must have. Anyway, I'm going to get back to it.